Welcome to Fin. This is your organization dashboard, the command center for everything happening across your agency. Right now, we are looking at Cause of a Kind's February 2026 Budget Overview. Up top, you have your financial summary showing budgeted staff cost, actual staff cost, your cost variance, and the projected variance for the month. At a glance, you know exactly where your money is going. Below that, the project's overview gives you a real-time snapshot of every active project in your portfolio. Each card shows hours consumed, budget variance, and a status indicator. Green means on track. Yellow means warning. Red means over budget. You can filter by status to zero in on what needs attention. And further down, employee utilization shows exactly how loaded each team member is across all their assigned projects. The date picker up here lets you travel through time. Want to look at how last month went? Just click January. The entire dashboard recalculates instantly. Notice how January had a tighter cost variance, some projects flagged as over budget, and utilization numbers shifted based on where the team was spending their hours. This is historical accountability baked right into the platform. Flip back to February, and let's dig into employee utilization. Click on any team member to expand their project breakdown. Here we see a staff member is allocated across 5 projects. You get hours tracked, budget consumed, and utilization percentage per project. Conduit Incentivias is sitting at 95% utilization on his allocated hours. The rest have not ramped up yet this month. This level of visibility is what agencies have been missing. Clicking into a project takes you to the project detail view. The Overview tab is where the magic happens. Hours analysis shows the percent of the budgeted 120 hours consumed with the project flagged as on track. Cost analysis shows the percent of the budget used, sitting comfortably under budget. The burn rate analysis breaks down expected versus actual hours per day, the budgeted total, and the projected total based on current pace. Below that, the employee breakdown shows exactly who is logging time and how much it is costing, every dollar accounted for. Scroll down and you hit Task Activity showing completed work, items in QA review, and active tasks in progress. Then the cumulative projection chart visualizes this project's financial trajectory over 12 months. Recurring income in cyan, recurring expenses in pink, and staff expenses in gold. You can see exactly when this project starts generating meaningful returns against its cost base. The Tasks tab gives you a full Kanban board, backlog, in progress, QA, and done. Each card shows the task description, tags like PR created or response needed, the assigned team member, creation date, and how long it has lived in that column. Drag and drop to move tasks between stages. This is lightweight project management purpose built for agencies that need to tie task progress directly to budget burn. Back on the dashboard, let's click into an employee profile. Here is a staff member. The monthly expense chart shows cumulative and recurring cost trends over 12 months. You can see the growth trajectory of what this team member costs the organization over time. Below that, the project allocation table shows every project they are assigned to with allocated hours, actual hours, utilization percentage, budgeted cost, and actual cost, each with a direct link to the project detail. The activity heat maps are inspired by contribution graphs. Time entries by work date shows when actual work was performed. Time entries by log date reveals when hours were submitted, helping you identify batch logging patterns. Click into a specific date, and you get the granular time entry detail. Every task, every project, every hour, with descriptions of the work performed. This is full accountability at the individual contributor level. Now, let's look at the budget dashboard. This is the organization-level financial forecast. The cumulative projection shows your entire financial picture. Recurring income stacking up in cyan, recurring expenses in pink, and cumulative staff costs in gold. Toggle between cumulative and monthly views. Change the time horizon from 12 months to 36 months, and suddenly you are looking at a 3-year financial model for your entire agency built on real data, not guesswork. Below the chart, the tabulated data lays it all out in a spreadsheet-style view. Every recurring income stream from retainer clients, dev share agreements, hosting fees, and monthly contracts, all projected forward month over month. Then your recurring expenses, insurance, phone plans, internet, lease payments, software subscriptions like Vercel, Basecamp, Figma, Canva, Claude, and more. Every dollar mapped to a timeline. This is FIN, financial forecasting, project management, employee utilization, and budget intelligence all in one platform, built by an agency for agencies. No more spreadsheets, no more guessing, just clarity. Welcome to the future of how you run your business.